Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. K.Flay, first time here. Pretty sure about that. Carsick. I'm not sure if this is maybe a punk rock song or something like that. I'm not that familiar of this artist, but felt this was a cool song to add to the portfolio here of Going Guitar. So 3 chords in the same way through the entire song. So let's try this out. We have a capo here on the 1st fret. I believe that's the best scenario for this one because of the chords and how they come. So we have capo first. Let's go over the 3 chords: G sharp, F minor, and the C chord. So the G sharp, it's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 4th fret here over all strings. And then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. That's the G sharp. Take the same grip almost and place it on this position here. The bar now on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A and 3rd on D, and you will have this F minor chord. So F minor like this. And then you go to this position here, and that is basically a C but with an E in the bass, the C chord. So open E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that is the chord progression of the song. So G sharp, F minor, and C E. You're gonna play it with this string pattern if you go to the G sharp. Okay, it's a 4th down. And I play on the bass strings for the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down, but on the 3rd, I go down here, down to the higher notes. So, like that. It's one round like that. So, bass, bass, top, bass. So, you're gonna play G sharp, 1 string around, F minor, 1 string around, and C, 2 string rounds. And you do that for a couple minutes from the beginning till the very end, like this. I'm not gonna give you all the minutes there. I think this is enough. So K.Flay, Carsick, cool title there, so give it a try. 3 chords, some bar practicing, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.